As we navigate the ever-changing landscape of facilities management, it's essential to stay ahead of the curve with the latest technologies and innovation. In this video, we will explore the top 5 soft services tools that are revolutionizing the way we manage facilities and deliver exceptional customer experience. AI-powered chatbots. These intelligent tools use natural language processing to provide instant support and answer to customers' queries. With chatbots, facility managers can automate routine tasks, reduce response times, and improve customer satisfaction. For instance, a chatbot can help a customer report a maintenance, provide updates on the status of the request, and even offer troubleshooting tips. By automating routine tasks, chatbots can help facility managers. Number 2 is digital concierge. These platforms provide a single intuitive interface for customers to access a range of services from room bookings to catering or digital concierge platforms. Facility managers can streamline communication, reduce administrative tasks, and enhance to overall customer experience. For example, a digital concierge platform can allow customers to book a meeting room, order catering, and even request audiovisual equipment all from a single platform. Digital concierge platform can help facilities managers use administrative tasks, enhance communication, exceptional customer experience. Space management software. These tools enable facility managers to optimize space utilization, track occupancy rate, and make data-driven decisions about space allocation. With space management software, facility managers can reduce waste, improve productivity, enhance the overall efficiency of their facilities. For instance, space management software can help facilities managers identify underutilized spaces, optimize room layouts, and even track the usage pattern. Predictive maintenance software. These tools use advanced analytics and machine learning algorithms to predict equipment failures, identify potential issues, and optimize maintenance schedules. With predictive maintenance software, facility managers can reduce downtime, improve equipment lifespan, and enhance overall facility. For example, predictive maintenance software can help facility managers identify potential issues with HVAC systems, predict equipment failure, and even optimize maintenance schedules to minimize downtime. Customer experience platforms enable facility managers to collect feedback, measure satisfaction, and deliver personalized experiences to their customers. With customer experience platforms, facility managers can improve customer satisfaction, increase loyalty, and drive business growth. For instance, customer experience platforms can help facility managers collect feedbacks on cleaning services, measure satisfaction with amenities, and even deliver personalized offers and promotions to customers. Improve satisfaction, increase loyalty, drive business growth by providing real-time insights into customer feedback and satisfaction, reduce cost, and enhance customer experience. Hey there, amazing viewers. If you are enjoying the content on our channel, we would love for you to join our community. Hit that subscribe button to stay updated on our latest videos, behind the scene insights, and exclusive tips. And if you like the video, show us some love by hitting that like button. Your support means the world to us. We are committed to creating more high quality content that inspires, educates, and entertains you. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.